Hello and welcome to Odisha Post Live. This is Lopita presenting the news headlines of the day. A Congress activist in Odisha Monday resorted to a unique way of protesting against fuel price rise by dressing like Prime Minister Narendra Modi and going around on a bullock cart asking people whether petrol prices have come down or not. Odisha Pradesh Congress Committee observed a 6-hour bandh across the state Monday. The bandh has thrown normal life completely out of gear. The statewide bandh was observed from 7 am till 1 pm. The bandh was observed to protest against rising fuel prices, said PCC President Niranjan Patnaik. A hotel staffer was arrested by Puri Sadar Police Sunday afternoon for allegedly filming a female tourist from Uttar Pradesh while she was bathing inside her hotel room in Puri. The police swung into action after the woman lodged an FIR in the regard at Puri Sadar Police Station, which led to the arrest. Six months have passed since 2-year-old Pihu went missing from near her house at Madhusudanpur village in Jajpur district, but the police are yet to get any breakthrough in the case. Pihu has been missing since August 9, 2020. Non-bailable warrants have been issued against 2 people for allegedly sharing the toolkit related to the farmers' protest on social media, the Delhi police said Monday, 2 days after it arrested climate activist Disha Ravi in connection with the case. The 21-year-old activist was arrested Saturday from Bengaluru and sent to 5 days police remand Sunday by a Delhi court here. The Bombay High Court has quashed the FIR filed against Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Meetu Singh, filed by actress Rhea Chakraborty. However, Rajput's other sister Priyanka Singh, also named in the FIR, has not got relief. The court said that the prima facie a case has been found against her and investigation into the charges against her should continue. One person was killed and 3 others injured when the car they were travelling in fell off a bridge on the Sorokupari road in Balasore district. The accident happened as the car tried to avoid a motorcycle which suddenly came in its path. People have grave apprehensions on loss of privacy, the Supreme Court said Monday, and made it clear that it is the court's duty to protect people's privacy as it was hearing an application against the new privacy policy of WhatsApp. The observation came as senior advocate Shyam Diwan, representing the petitioner Karmanya Singh Sareen, sought direction to retain WhatsApp from implementing its new privacy policy in India. Ravichandran Ashwini's 5th Test century and Virat Kohli's 28th half-century put India in a position of command in the second Test against England being played in Chennai. Ashwin scored 106 while Kohli contributed with 62 as India ended with second innings on 286 runs. England will now need to get 482 runs in the second innings to win the game, which many feel is near impossible. That's all for today. To stay updated, stay with Odisha Post Live.